Okay children, let's begin the Ketupad card making. For this we need one A4 size paper, 15 long strips of paper. The size is 2 cm width and the length is according to the A4 size paper width. And I've taken one square sheet. You can also take a rectangle paper if you want. I've taken a scale, a pencil, a scissor and Fevicol. So these are the things required. Let's begin. Let us first take the A4 size paper and fold it. Okay, let's take the A4 size paper first and fold it. It should be folded very neatly and the corners should meet. Press it and make it flat. Now we will pick one strip of paper and we have to draw a border on the open side of the folded paper. You can use a scale if you are not able to use the strip. Now we are going to draw standing lines starting from the border till the end of the paper. As many strips as possible. The lines should be of equal distance so that your card looks very beautiful. Again I am saying you can use a scale if you are not comfortable using the strip. Okay, now can you see my line drawing is finished. Now I am going to take my scissor and I am going to cut these standing lines. We will not cut till the end. We are going to cut only till the border. So all the standing lines have to be cut only till the border. You have to cut it on the line. So be very careful while using the scissor. And hold the paper tight when you are cutting it. The last one is little thin. That's okay. It will do. And if you want it, you can cut till the end and remove that part. It's okay. Now open it. Open it. Now see, your entire paper has got strips inside. Okay. Now we will take one green strip. You can take any color paper, any color combination you feel like. Okay. Now we are going to begin the Ketupad design making. That is a matte kind of design texture will come. Keep the paper in the lengthwise. Now we have to pick up one string and put this inside. The other string will go down. Then another next string will go up. Again the next one will be down. The next one will be up. It's like a check paper that is going to become. It will look like a mat. Now slowly tighten it up till the top, at the top. Okay. Now this is done. Now we will start using the next strip. Remember, where we took the paper up, that strip will go down now. Opposite. Okay. So over here the first strip has gone down. So we take this first strip up this time. So we start from the green paper down. Green paper down. Then this strip goes down. Be very careful. The first strip should not open up. Okay. So alternately you have to bring the check. If you put it in the same way, then your design and your mat will not look finished. Now you tighten up both the strips. Bring it up and tighten it up. It will have to shift more. Here like this. See. So alternately your checks are coming. Okay. Now again we are going to repeat this till we reach the very end. So here the matte texture designing is done. Now we have to paste all the green strips from the corners. So we'll just put a drop of Fevicol, lift it up, put a drop of Fevicol. It doesn't need to be pasted absolutely, but just a drop will do so that the strip does not move. Okay, so all the strips we are going to paste it in the same manner. Don't put a lot of Fevicol, otherwise your card will stick and it will become untidy. So just one drop. Okay, now that side also we are going to paste in the same way. Okay, now turn the other side. Again, this side, all the green strips, we are going to paste the corners. The other side also. This is called the Ketupad checkered design. Isn't it looking very pretty? And the colors are up to you. You can pick 2 colors. You can also take 4 colors if you wish. Okay, now whichever strip is coming out little bit, if you think it's coming out of the rectangle, the big A4 size paper, take your scissor and cut those little bit so that they are equal. Just cut the extra that's coming out. Yes, right. This way we are going to cut it. Alright. Now we are going to fold the paper like a card. In the beginning we fold it, same way you fold it again. And press properly so that the corners are meeting. It's okay, one side can be little smaller, one side can be little big. If your check design comes in between, you can just cut the line and make it equal. Hold your card tightly, otherwise while when you're cutting your lines, if it becomes curvy. Yes, now it's fine. Now we open the card. Okay, now in the inside part we are going to paste this A4 size paper, this small paper, so that we can do the writing work on this. Okay, if you think it's bigger, then we need to cut it little bit. Here this is equal, and now I'm going to paste this over here. Put the Fevicol in the border. A thin line, it will be okay. Or you can use your fingers to put the Fevicol. And now we are going to paste it. So our Ketupad card is ready. Now you can do some drawing also on the checks if you want, or you can simply use it as it is. You can write a message inside and gift it to somebody. Bye bye.